Hey, CM Camaro 96 here. Welcome back for part 5 of the 1955 Lawn Boy restoration. I'm really excited to show you the progress, so stay tuned. All right, so I received the new identification tag. It's really nice. The guy that sells these on eBay does a great job. And he punched the serial number in there, 8F20K, or model number. So I am gonna go ahead and drill the holes to attach this on there. All right, we got the identification plate installed. We prepped the wheels for paint. Now we're going to tape off the rubber parts. We got the wheels all taped off and ready for paint. They're sanded. I'm gonna put some primer on them and then we'll shoot some red on them. painted, let's go ahead and remove the tape. All right, here's the wheels, finished product. Let's go ahead and install them. Well, that about wraps it up. The wheels are installed.
Thanks for watching part 5. I hope you're enjoying the project. I really appreciate you guys watching. For part 6, I plan on getting the engine on the bench. We're gonna take some of the parts off. I'm receiving an ultrasonic parts cleaner here soon, so we're gonna test that out. I'll do some video, we'll do a review. I also have a couple new piston rings for the engine. I'll do an install on that and show you how it's done. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Have a good one. See you in part 6.